Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at how to install Ubuntu 20.4 LTS, the latest release of Ubuntu, and I am using VMware Fusion. So let's get started. You open up your VMware Fusion and go to Virtual Machine Library. And once you see this screen, just click on this plus icon and click on New, and after that click on create custom virtual machine and continue. Then select the operating system. In this case I'm using Linux, and Linux Ubuntu 64-bit. Continue, and just select any UEFI or legacy BIOS, it doesn't matter, and just choose the virtual disk you want to create and continue. And if you want to customize any settings, like where you want to store the image and the things like that, so just select that and click on save. And after that just click on finish and it will open up. And if you want to increase your size of your hard drive, you can just go to your virtual machine settings over here and just go to hard drive, and over here you can change the size of the hard drive you want to use. In this case I am going to change it to 4 GB, and I'm just going to increase the amount of RAM to 3 GB over here, and go back to all settings. And now we want to select the ISO from where we want to boot up the set installation setup. So just click on CD and just click on select CD-ROM to the virtual machine and click on select ISO file. And I have downloaded the latest version over here. Just select that and click on open, and just close this out and power on your virtual machine, and it will boot right up into the setup. So now what you need to do is select the language and uh, select install Ubuntu and click enter. And now it will boot up into the setup, and we will start the installation process after the setup process is complete. So I'm going to pause the video till we get to the setup screen. Welcome back. Now all the file system checks have been completed, and now we are over here on the installation screen. So just select your language and click on continue. And over here you just need to select your keyboard layout. In my case I am using US English US keyboard layout, and just click on continue and click normal install. So it will install all the default packages that are required for a ready to use system. So just click on normal installation and click on continue. Now over here just select the option erase disk and install Ubuntu, and it will automatically create partitions on your hard drive and install the operating system according to that. And it gives you a output of what partitions has been created and what are the file formats of those partitions. So just click on save and it will continue to installation process. Just select your time zone and continue. Now over here you need to provide your system information. So I'm going to enter my name and machine name and create any password you want. Click on continue, and now it is going to copy all the operating system files onto your hard drive and complete the installation process. So I will be back once that is done. So now the installation process is completed, and now what we need to do is just restart our virtual machine. You click on restart and it will restart your system. Now just press enter and it will restart your virtual machine by removing the ISO file from the boot disk, and now it will boot into the system directly. And here you just need to select your username and enter your password and click on login, and you will be logged into your Ubuntu virtual machine running Ubuntu 12.04 LTS release. And LTS releases are mostly valid for up to 4 years, and they will continue receiving updates for the next 4 years. So that's it for this video, and in next video we will cover up how to uh, get started with using Ubuntu as a operating system, and what are the things that you need to know about Ubuntu in order to fully utilize its functionalities. And thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, do comment down below. And thanks for watching.